Hey guys, it's Lavinia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited for today's video. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be trying out a teeth whitening product. It is still beauty related. I know a lot of you guys probably out there, do whiten your teeth, or you get them whitened or use strips, or looking for maybe new ways to whiten them. And a very popular I guess technique that has been really emphasized on like social media and Instagram and stuff has been charcoal powder for whitening your teeth. So I actually a few months ago got an email from a company called Pink Charcoal, and they asked me if I was interested in reviewing their product, and I said yes, just because I have been kind of interested and intrigued by these teeth whitening or these natural teeth whitening products. So I have used like custom teeth whitening trays, and I have used like Crest white strips. I did prefer the custom teeth whitening trays over the Crest white strips. The Crest 3D white strips were a little too harsh on my teeth. It did make my teeth very sensitive, and I just didn't love the whole chemical process. It definitely worked, but my teeth couldn't take these strips. So when this company reached out to me, I was super excited. So the company that I'm going to be working with today is called Pink Charcoal. So they basically sent me a kit right here. This is what their logo looks like, if you guys were curious. So basically I got the toothpaste, and I have the Day Pink Charcoal Fresh Mint toothpaste and the Night Pink Charcoal Fresh Mint toothpaste. And then we also get the Pink Charcoal Organic Teeth Whitener. So this one right here, it looks like this, and it is 100% natural as well. And then you also get a nice little toothbrush from them. So this kit that I got right here is the bundle kit. I believe it's actually on sale right now for around $50. That's usually around the price that you would pay for some Crest 3D white strips, and that's like the 7-day pack, I'm pretty sure. And I am definitely sure you're gonna get more use out of like bottles of toothpaste, especially because there's 2 instead of 1, and then this whole little tub of the charcoal whitener. So basically I wanted to take you guys along this journey with me instead of just, trying it out on my own and then telling you guys how it went. I thought I'd take you guys along with me. So today is going to be day 1 of trying out the product. We're going to kind of unbox these together. I mean, they're not in a box, but we're going to open everything up, try it out. Today's going to be day 1. I'm going to be testing this product for a week straight. So I really want to show you guys if this natural teeth whitening process really works, because you see all these videos on Instagram of people of applying it to their teeth and then instantly they have whiter teeth. I really wanted to test out if natural teeth whitening charcoal products really work. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. It's going to be a week-long process, so I'm going to be doing this product every single day, and because it is a natural product, I'm pretty sure I can do it every single day, whereas like something that has more of a chemical process to it, you might have to skip a few days. But yes, we're going to be going every single day. I'm going to be using this product for the whole week, and we're going to see the results at the end. And I'm wearing pink in this video, to go along with the Pink Charcoal theme. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much, Pink Charcoal, for sending me these products. But of course, we have to put them to the test, and we have to see if they are truly approved and if they actually work. So that's what we're going to be testing out. So let's just get started. I'm going to show you guys a few pictures of my teeth before, so I'm going to put those on the screen right now so you guys can kind of see. And then of course we're going to kind of go throughout the day. I'm going to show you kind of the process each day, how my teeth are doing, and then at the end we're going to do a final like before and after. So anyways, on this little thing right here, it says wet your bamboo toothbrush. So that's actually really cool that this toothbrush right here, let's open it up. It's also pink. How cute. So this is what the toothbrush looks like. You can see it's pink, which is so cute, and then these are the bristles, and apparently these are bamboo bristles, so that's awesome. And then you're supposed to wet this, dip it into the charcoal, and tap off excess powder, and then brush your teeth gently for 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinse with the night toothpaste, and then let those pearly whites shine. So apparently, I'm guessing you're only supposed to apply the charcoal at night, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna use the day toothpaste just in the mornings and stuff. So yeah, let's open up the actual boxes here. Alright, so here are the 2 boxes. We're gonna start off Just gonna show you guys the day one, so I'm gonna open it up real quick. And this is supposed to clean, refresh, and protect. And it is a fresh mint toothpaste. So this is what this looks like right here. Super cute with the pink. I really like it. So yeah, you just get like this tube right here. So this says on the back that is recommended for ages 12 and up, and you're supposed to brush for 2 minutes in the morning. And it says for best results to use with the powder, and this has 60 grams of product if you guys were wondering about that. And then here is the night toothpaste, and this one just looks like this. And this one is supposed to whiten, clean, and refresh, and so this is also supposed to have some whitening factor to it. We're going to be using the charcoal powder at night, and in the morning I'm just going to be using the regular day toothpaste, and then we're going to see how it goes. Today's day one, as I said, so let's go and apply the charcoal powder and then the toothpaste and see how I feel afterwards. Alright guys, so I'm actually in my bathroom, just facing the mirror. So we are going to start off with the pink charcoal. This is what it looks like. I don't want to tip it because that would be very bad. So I just wet my bamboo brush, and we're supposed to dip it in and tap off excess product. There it is. And then just apply it to the teeth and brush for 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to do that right now. Oh, I got some on my nose. Alright, so I've been brushing for 3 minutes, and I just, I haven't rinsed it out. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to rinse with the paste, so we're gonna do that now. So I have the night paste. This has that charcoal black color as well. By the way, I'm not sure how much I should apply this, probably not too much. Yeah, that should be good. By the way, the charcoal has no taste to it. It just tastes like powder, which is kind of gross, but at least it doesn't have like a bad taste. So I'm gonna take this, brush for 2 to 3 minutes with the night paste. All right, so here are my teeth right after. Don't see a huge difference immediately, I will say, but they look good. Like, they feel nice and clean. I really like the toothpaste actually. It wasn't too minty. It was like just a nice fresh mint, and I also really liked the brush. I like how soft the bristles are and everything. So yeah, so far so good. I don't mind doing this method. I feel like if this gives me great results, I'll be really happy with it, since it's really nice and easy. Only takes a few minutes of your night routine. It's not like a full like 30-minute application like a lot of different teeth whitening products are. You have to apply them and leave them on for quite a bit, but this is really fast and easy. I like that there's no like trays, or you don't have to like sit there with the gel in your teeth. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like that's kind of uncomfortable. This was very comfortable, very easy. In the morning, I'm just going to use the morning toothpaste. It just seems like a morning toothpaste, so I don't think I'm going to film that, but we'll be back tomorrow for day 2 of, oh my god, there's charcoal all over my fingers, but anyways, I'll be back tomorrow for day 2 of the application, and we will see how that goes. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Day 1 went pretty well. Hey guys, good morning. So it is actually 2 days later. I actually didn't film yesterday just because I did the exact same thing as the day before. I just used the pink charcoal fresh mint morning toothpaste in the morning, obviously, and I just used it as a regular toothpaste. This one has like a pink color to it, and again, like a nice fresh mint taste, so it's really nice. I liked the actual paste. But it's day 3 now of our little journey, and the reason I decided not to actually film yesterday was I just felt it was like the exact same thing. But today I'm just going to film the morning, because instead of just using this by itself, I'm going to try to use this with the charcoal powder in the morning as well. I feel like that will just give us better results if I'm using the powder twice a day instead of just at night. So I'm going to do that right now. If I look a little weird, I like just woke up recently and I am kind of getting sick too, so my face is a little like puffy. But anyways, so I'm gonna start off with the charcoal powder like I did a few days ago. I'm just gonna dip it in. I'm not gonna take as much as the first time. As you guys saw, I almost like choked on the powder. It was all good, but I just didn't anticipate how much I'd actually pick up. So just a bit, and then apply it. And I'll just brush it on for like 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm going to take the morning toothpaste. Just apply like a pea-sized amount. So it is a light pink color, which I think is actually so cute. Goes with the whole theme. I do kind of like applying the charcoal powder in the morning too. It's very easy. It just takes a few extra minutes in the morning and I feel like it will just fasten the results. Here are my teeth. They look actually pretty good. I'm gonna insert like the first day picture and then what they look like now. It's not a huge difference right now, but we are only on day 3, so I feel like as I keep using this we're gonna see better results. But so far I'm really liking this product, and I'll see you guys tonight when I apply the night paste with the charcoal powder. Hey guys, so it is nighttime right now. I was just about to go like take off my makeup and get ready for bed, but I thought I'd just film this application first. So I'm going to be doing the same thing as I did on the first night. I'm going to be applying the pink charcoal powder and then the night paste, and it's just going to be the same thing, so I'm going to keep this nice and short. But my teeth are looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the results actually so far. We are just on the 3rd day though, so we're going to keep going, but so far I do see that kind of you know, difference compared to like the first day. Obviously I'll show you guys pictures and stuff, but let's get to applying this. I'm just gonna wet my brush, dip it in the powder. Again, you don't need a lot of this. Tap off the excess. This looks so scary, like just having black teeth. Alright, so I just got rid of all the charcoal, and now we can apply the paste. I really like this paste actually. Like obviously the main point of this is to whiten, but I do like the paste as well. I find that it does like kind of help as well with the whitening, at least the night one. I just find that it is helping with the whitening, like it just kind of gives that extra oomph to the whole thing. The morning one I don't see that with, but the night one, it's a little bit, like it's not anything super powerful since it's just a whitening toothpaste, but I like it, and I really like the bamboo brush as well. I like the bristles, they're nice and soft, but they still do a good job at cleaning. So I'm just going to brush my teeth with this. Alright guys, so here are my teeth. I actually am so impressed so far. I think they look great, honestly. Like, yeah, I'm really impressed so far, and I will just keep using this for the rest of the week. So as I said, today is day 3, so 4 more days left. We're gonna keep using this for 4 more days. I don't know how much whiter my teeth are gonna get, but if not, it's like a maintenance thing, which I think is good also. So yeah, I'm going to keep on using this for the remainder of the days. I'm not going to film any of that because I'm literally just going to keep applying the charcoal powder in the morning and at night with their corresponding toothpaste. So I'm going to just keep repeating that for the next few days, and then we're going to check back at the end of the week and kind of talk about my whole review on the product. So I will see you guys at the end of the week. Alright guys, so it is the final day. It's been a week since I started using the pink charcoal products. So I do have the pictures like inserted on the screen so you guys can kind of see the results. And overall, just looking in the mirror and seeing my own teeth, I'm really impressed actually. I mean, there's not like a huge difference, not as like drastic of a difference as you would see with maybe like professional whitening or using whitening strips for like a month or even a week. But this is a natural process. Of course, it's going to take a bit longer since you're technically just brushing your teeth with an additional product, so of course it's not going to be as intense as other whitening methods maybe, but honestly I did really enjoy this way of whitening. For me, like past whitening methods I didn't really enjoy. I mean, I do them from time to time to make sure my teeth are nice and white, but I didn't really look forward to them just because I didn't like how sensitive it made my teeth. One, how uncomfortable it was where you had to wear the trays or the strips or whatever it was. I just didn't like the whole process. This made it really easy. So as you guys saw, I applied the charcoal powder in the morning and at night with their corresponding toothpaste. So the toothpaste I actually really enjoyed. They both have like a nice fresh minty flavor to them. I think they do a good job at like just giving you like a fresh clean in the morning and at night, so I do really like the pastes. And then the charcoal powder, you did have to like get used to it. It wasn't like super comfortable at first just because, you know, you do have like a powder in your mouth, so you do have to get used to it, but I do prefer over other whitening methods. It's super easy to use, very quick, only takes about 2 to 3 extra minutes in the morning and at night. And then also the brush I really liked as well. I think it did a really good job. I liked that it was soft but it still really got in there. I liked the bristles and everything like that, so I did enjoy this as well. It was very different from any other toothbrush I've tried before, which is kind of weird to say because it is just a toothbrush, so I shouldn't be getting that excited over just a toothbrush, but I actually really did enjoy this. So overall, I'd highly recommend this kit to any of you looking for a natural whitener. As I said, I am impressed with the results. It's not the most crazy change, but I do see that gradual whiteness in my teeth over the days that I tried it out, so I do think charcoal products work. That is the conclusion of this video, and of course I'm going to continue using these over time and hopefully see better results. But yeah, I'm super impressed with these. I do like the products. As I said, I just love the practicality of them and how they did actually work, so these are definitely approved by me. I will link pink charcoal down below. I think these products are great and highly recommend them to any of you looking for a natural teeth whitening method. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video where you got to kind of tag along with me and go along this little journey and see if these products actually work, and in my opinion they do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.